So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about something that I get questions about like all the time. What kind of wheels are those? How much did you pay for the wheels? Do those wheels rub? Will those help me clear my upper control arms? I'm sorry, I thought it looked like something broke in my lens, but we're fine. Let's talk about the positives. They are dirt cheap. I picked these up for 160 each. Number 2 is the offset. The offset on this wheel makes the truck look absolutely sinister. It is so crazy. They're super easy to clean. A bottle washer, one of those sponges that will fit right into here. You know, you can just kind of like, my YouTube channel is demonetized.